This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sarita Hotel. Beach Bungalow, Pool Home Bike to Beach, New Metal Roof! 3 bedroom, 2 bath, with open floor plan, and huge storage room.Tile in living areas, with wood look floors in bedrooms. Beautiful plantation shutter, window treatments, all windows, and accordion shutters.Extra storage and shed, all freshly painted on outside of home.Huge patio for entertaining, and fireplace, overlooking the all paverd tropical pool oais.All paverd circular driveway. With room for 8 cars to park.Location is superb, walk to all the nightlife and shopping, and beach just over the bridge.This one will sell quick, hurry won't last. For more information, review the details below.